What's good, y'all? It's your boy Pablo. You already know we back with another banger. Nah, but for real though, yo, hey, this video finna be crazy. It's finna be filled with, I ain't gonna hold you, it's finna be filled with just a bunch of mixed videos cause I couldn't think of an idea to save for the video. I'm finna go ahead and link up with the homies, little carmeet junk. Y'all gonna see a bunch of videos, a bunch of pictures that I took. It's just, I make vlogs, I make you like, comment, subscribe. There's no context to this video. I just need something to post. I'm probably gonna clickbait y'all too, just because I mean, yeah. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pablo. I'm also posting clean pictures, just some B-roll, all this stuff, cause yeah, I want y'all to see. I'm trying to transition my channel, but at the same time, stay true to me. So yeah, I did pick out all my jerseys except for 3 of them. I know it looks snappy and stuff right now, but yeah, I'm gonna get it twisted, picked and all that soon. All the way, I picked it, but I'm gonna have to, yeah, cause my hair curly. So yeah, you already know. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pablo. Catch you in the next clip, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it and y'all gonna see it. So drop that like. That'd be $10. They good, bro. Excellent food. Fantastic. Astronomical. It's like when life gives you lemons, you make. Say hey, no. Hey, no. Happy birthday. She is beating that jump. It's like when life gives you lemons, you make. So yeah, took him down. I'm finna wash it. I'm finna wash them and then you already know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pablo. Y'all gonna see some of the car videos and stuff. For the ending, a little racing with the homies. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm keeping these 3 at the top. I mess with them. I don't know why. So yeah, these 3 finna wash my hair and then let everything else drop and all that. Love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Oh yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So say, feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate, stacking shit all on my plate. Outside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us. The rest of us, oh, for the rest of us. The rest of us. Okay, she keep calling every single night. And I don't like 'cause I'm cute. Okay, your boy, you know, they got Mustangs and shit, you know, Camaros and everything. Your boy got a fucking V8 McLaren twin turbo. You gotta get it right, bro. Twin turbo McLaren. 2016.
2016 McLaren, folks. Don't even look at the tag. Don't look at the sun button. I used to be a band going crazy food. I was selling my whole box for like a day food.
Eat the whole box like, Mom, I need some.
I didn't never eat the box. That shit different food. I like candy, but all I like was the caramel just food. I was not eating the rest of it. So out of everybody out here, who got the fastest car? I just need to know that. You said Seth got the fastest car?
I smoke Seth. He just didn't know where it was.
So if he knew, you think it'd be different?
Only thing he smoke is a cigarette.
Whoa.
I got you calling 4K.
Oh, damn. He said the 4 of them.
Okay, so
I swear I want to see that, man. Bro, there's no way we got proof. Hold on, bro. We finna see a titty, ain't it?
you ain't gonna find another on that. I got no bitches.
No, but we gonna put you on by the end of this. You got a car, too?
He got me away.
Oh, he real life farting on your engine. He using his car to shit on your engine.
And your engine food.
We just from the banger. I'm gonna let the footage do all the talking. This is the outro, and then after that, y'all just finna see. Y'all just finna see cars on cars and go crazy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I might just make this a car channel because this is fire. Like just vlogs. If y'all want to see vlogs like this, just lit, have fun. No, not all over the place, but you know what I'm saying. Like more than one thing happens besides me just going to the store and getting back to the crib. Like y'all want to see something. Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pablo. I'm out there.
Bro, you talk about the wrong thing. Where your car at, matter of fact? Let's go ahead and talk about it, bro. Explain it to me real quick.
It's stock.
Okay, it's stock. You seen the fingers.
See MCG.
Y'all see what's going on, bro.
You over on the back and jumped in. You already jumped in.
All right.
I got it on my arm too. What's up, man?
I ain't gonna put the license plate in. It ain't that serious. You know what I'm saying?
They ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about them coming my yard.
I should. Hey, y'all see Amma boy on Snapchat. Y'all know what time it is, bro.
Hey man, where the fuck is Mario Judah?
So talk to me about it. Talk to me. You know what I'm saying?
She can tell you all about it.
Boxley. How does it feel to be the best driver on the planet, apparently?
Well, you know, when you drive a car like that, you don't have to be cute.
Oh yeah, get right. Hey, my guy, show me some. Let's see what he got.
What's up, man? Don't take no seat, what?
You ain't gotta show off like that. You go ahead closing. the best rap out here.
Appreciate it.
What's up, bro? Nah. Not the slowest one. Bro, 100K you can get you one. She says somebody trying to buy one of her friends that got one, 180K. That's almost, bro, I ain't never made half of that in my life. Bro, every dollar I done made in my whole life, I ain't never made 200K all added up all together. That's tough. Like, food This car is. I mean, show me some, bro. I know you trying to get that followers.
Oh, yeah.
My boy in there. Y'all make sure y'all follow that. For sure, for sure. Hey, you too, just cause you was there, bro, man. What's your Instagram too, man? I ain't gonna. Why he like a movie star? This nigga. Hey, bro, no movie. Hold on. Look at the camera like that. This nigga famous. Bro. Oh yeah, he busting on TikTok. Oh, we got you. Make sure y'all follow my boy. I can't tell the time. She looking too good, she loving the vibe. I feel like the TJ popping out some. I'm walking the building, the life of the party. Yeah. In the back with a whole lot of shorties. Turning me up and I'm off in the molly. I'm sorry, I never said sorry.